We've just received this pump by Foading. It is a half a horsepower pump. It does 1,000 gallons an hour. And the whole essential thing that we're gonna use it for is for a water system that we have here to connect to our main water system in the house. So what you would do exactly is connect your main or whatever hose that you wanna eject water from, if you have a fountain, for example, to here. And this whole pump will submerge itself. And right now it's plugged in, and as you can tell, it's not running because it has a safety feature, safety shutoff feature, that if there is water, this little floater will rise up and turn it on. As soon as there's no more water, it's going to automatically shut off and protect that pump. Now let's put it in here. Of course, there's not enough water in here, but I will show you what it should be doing. So I'll open up. And this is my first ever test, so let's see how it works. It works incredibly, as you can see. Let's bring it up again. 1,000 gallons an hour is easily attainable with this power. I did not expect that kind of power. So if you have a fountain, if you're wanting to do a fountain in a pond, in a backyard pond, this is a great tool, great pump.